Oh, look, the guardians. No filming? Okay. I film him. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm from Romania.
First time Golden Temple.
It's first time in India, not Golden Temple, in India. Today I arrived.
Okay, okay.
Have a good day. Thank you very much, sir. Him as well? Okay. Hello, sir. Oops. Hello, sir. How are you? Eshpatse. Nice to meet you. First time in India.
Welcome.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Good day. Nice people, is he? Whoa! Whoa! Are you kidding? Whoa! Oh, the golden fishes. Incredible India, honest. Beautiful place. Hello, guys. So beautiful here. We need to walk a bit. I'm just gonna walk a bit like this to see what. How is it here? Entrance to the Sikh. So it's the Sikh temple. So nice. People chilling, relaxing. You know, I've been traveling for 20 hours. Took me from home to arrive to Amritsar. 20 hours by planes. I changed 3 planes. And I don't know, I arrived here and I feel okay. I don't feel tired. That's strange, no? Oh, look again, golden fish. Koi fish. I'm sorry? Not allowed. Oh, sorry.
Then see new board, read, not allowed to photograph and the video.
Okay. I'm gonna close it, okay? Thank you. I need to close it. So, I didn't know that, but now I know. Where people they dip inside the water, you're not allowed to film. So I've been filming over there. I apologize again. Didn't know that. Hello, sir. So look, Golden Temple. I'm just gonna try to go a bit further. I think I'm gonna go again. I think I'm gonna go again in a no filming area. Yeah. My friend, I spent here around 1 hour, I think, till now, and I saw loads of people eating this stuff. So I got it as well. Incredible tasty. Super tasty. Honest. Look, Golden Temple. If you have the chance to come here in Amritsar, you have to come to Golden Temple. It's amazing. So yes, my friend, I stopped filming inside. Honest, I didn't feel to film. I don't know. I felt so good, just walking and admiring the buildings and everything. Hey, how you doing?
Michael, nice to meet you. Good luck.
Nice to meet you, my friend. I'm good, thank you very much.
I speak English?
Yeah, I speak English.
School fees my help, नहीं sir. Give me school fees my help.
Yes, but I'm good, thank you. Have a good day.
School fees my help.
So yeah, I felt so good inside. I even ate in canteen, honest. But I felt so embarrassed. So I admit, extremely embarrassed to go in. But some of the guys from the Sikh, they just pushed me in. Go. So I've been in. It was good anyway. It was tasty. The dal and the chapat, I think, that bread, extremely tasty. So see you later.